Right. Okay. So now next one, uh, we'll do some small calculation using Excel. So let's say we have some list of items, and we know the price. What is the price per unit price for each item, and we need to calculate the total. Right. So let's do something like this. So uh, in one column we have the product name, product name. So next column we're going to have the price of the product, each product. The next column we're going to have quantity, and next column we're going to have the total. Now you can see there is not enough space, so I can drag it, or I can double click over here, so it will resize it. Then let's have some products. So let's say I want to have DVD here. Let's say price is, let's say 30 rupees. Quantity, let's say I want to have 100. So I want to calculate the total here. So next one, let's say we want to have pen drives. Right, so let's say I want to have 10 pen drives. Sorry, price is say 1200, and then the quantity is, let's say I want to have 20. Then let's imagine I want to have laptops. Let's say price is, let's say 75,000 rupees, and I need to have, let's say 3 laptops. Let's have a few more products. So let's say we want to have printers. So let's say each, let's say 15,000 rupees, and I need to have 2, right? So now I need to calculate their each value. Now, because this one is a price, so sometimes you prefer to have this one formatted. I can select this one. You can see there are different formatting options are there. So I can select this one as a currency. So if I select this one as a currency, you can see it's shown as a rupees or something like that, right? So later I'll show you how you're going to do it, or you can how you're going to show rupees signs or any other currency signs. But if it's a US dollar or something, then it's very easy. You can just select whatever the US dollar, and it will show like this. Then if you now if you see something like this, that means there is not enough space to show the value. So hash line means, so you double click over here, or you can just drag it a bit more, then you can see the values. Then we need to calculate the total. So it's very easy. Always, as I mentioned in the early lesson, start with the equal sign. Then you need to get this cell value. This is B2. So I can just click over here and have multiplication and multiplied by this value and press enter. Right? So then I can drag it down, and you can see these hash values because there's not enough space. So I can drag it, like double click over here, and you can get the actual values. Now I want to get the total here. So I can use another equation which you found in a Excel called summation sum function. So summation function, if you give some numbers, it will add it and show it to you. So I need to tell where to start. So starting value is this one, this cell. So this is the B2. So I can type this one, sorry, D2. So I can type it, and I can put a column here, and it's end with this one. So this is D5, and I can press close the brackets, and I can press enter. So it will give the grand total. Right, so I can call this one as a grand total. Right, so I need to have a bit more space. So it will show this one. So same thing you can do with using this auto sum feature available here. That one also you can do. Just click on this one, auto sum, and it will add the summation for us. But it's a good habit to know these equations, right? Now for this one, we need to have a nice border. So I can select this one, click borders. I can say all borders. Be mindful when you try to print this. This will come with, this will print without these grid lines. So if you want these borders, you must first you must select the borders and put it from the home tab. Now let's say I want to have heading here. So that now there's not enough space. So the easiest thing you can do is from the edge you can drag it down, like in the middle. So I drag it down. Then somewhere here I can type my heading. What is this is all about? So I can say, let's say project requirements or something like. Right. Now this one I need to have center it. So I select up to until here, and there is option of merge and center. So it will be in here. Then I can make it bold if I want it. Right. So then these values also I can change it. Like I can have maybe nice shading. Right. So now if I want to see any equation or any changes, I can just double click and I can change the equations. Now the great thing about the Excel, when you change anything, let's say someone says, okay, we need to have 70 TVTs. As soon as you type the 70, it will change this value and it will change the grand total also automatically. So this is much better when you're doing in a pen and paper, because if you do it in a pen and paper, you will have to erase everything.